G'day everyone and welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. I'm Reese and this is the Prestige Detailing Studio. In this episode I'll be unboxing modular garage cabinets. I'll be putting them together so you can all see how it all goes, see how it all works. I got these from a company called Gtools. They have a shop here in Perth. So let's get stuck into it. Mate, when you have so many boxes, where do you even start? Should we start with the big ones up on the wall? I think they're the heaviest. These are the only ones I think you've got to put together. All the other boxes, they're all assembled. I'll get rid of all this stuff and we'll work on this last. Okay, so we have the backboard. You got some holes here too, which is good, I think, for power purposes, which is good. All right, kick that out of the way for you. Alrighty, so we have one top cabinet. So if you look inside, okay, we got all sorts of instructions here, some hardware. It's pretty tall though, like you could almost put a shelf inside there. And whoops, lost my grip there. It's a bit warm in here once you get going. So yeah, righto. Whoopsies. There we go. Oh, that worked a little easier. I guess it's like slightly a bit tacked onto a little bit of glue on the pallet here. So definitely can't say they're not well packaged. I'll chuck some of the rubbish out. I'm gonna put one of these tall cabinets together, so we'll see how we go. All right then, just unpacked all the stuff in that box. So you got a whole piece just on the front here. So this is one big piece, side bits, and you got the bottom bit here. Put it all together and see how we go. One of the side cabinets built up. They're a bit. So you can see there's plenty of room for all your products and everything like that. Like these are actually quite massive. Probably could have gotten away with just single ones on either side, but you know what? You can never have too much storage. 100%. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be starting over here and then working my way across. Another good thing about the Swiss Trax tiles, like things can just slide easily across, and that thing is heavy. Like this thing is super heavy. So next we're gonna build out the one of the modules here. This all gets put together, and then the stainless boards just basically just sit on top. Okay, so you have this top piece here. that I suppose just goes across like this. That should sit on top. Another good thing about the Swiss Trax floor, right? You drop any sort of bolt or anything, it doesn't actually fall through the floor. It just sits on top, you know, and it's pretty handy, to be honest. I like it. Some people are, you know, probably not a fan, but. Okay, let's try and see how we go here. Oh. Now I think putting one at a time on would probably be a lot easier. Wouldn't you reckon? Yes, I think you would. So, that might actually work out just that little bit easier for us here. When I had the garage door, the jack shaft opener installed, I also had the garage door insulated. It's absolutely pouring down outside right now, and I don't think you can even hear it. All right. So now I just gotta just remove some of these drawers and then I can bolt it up to the side there. Man, these instructions actually suck. Like, it doesn't tell you what you need to do. It just goes, the arrows, there, like. All right, so I got these bits that were already like sort of bolted together like this, and I was trying to figure out why they all came bolted together, but then I remembered I was talking to the supplier and told him that I want to put like a washing machine underneath the cabinets, and like leave one out and then put like a washing machine in there, so I can have a washing machine dedicated to my, you know, my microfibers. That's what these are for. So these are this one will go on this side. Yeah, so once that goes on, I'll have to put that up like that. Yeah, well, it looks like it's starting to come together. I'm gonna save that one to last. Yeah, cool. This will just. Done something wrong here. All right, so I'm just fitting up the stainless steel tabletop. It overhangs about 25 centimeters a little bit. 25 centimeters, sorry. 2.5 centimeters. Just out from there, I thought it was gonna be flush with everything and kinda, yeah, I don't know, like you get a bit more bench space, I suppose, but I don't know, I'm a bit like, want things to be flush. So, it's what happens with there's little screw holes in the bottom, but there's holes here, but they're not, they're kind of like they've been filled up. I don't know why. So I rang the bloke and you gotta punch them out or drill them out or something. So I'm gonna try to just use a SDS like solid drill bit and try to punch them out, see what happens. So. Yeah, okay, so this slot. Yeah, that'll work. Give it a go. I think it might be easier to do it with the door open, actually, to be honest. Okay, so I sorted some stuff out off camera, just with my charging station. What I'm doing is I just routed all the cables through the back, to a power bank that's just sitting right here. So any other, I've put in a few extra points as well, so any extra sort of battery charges I get for my cordless tools, I can add them as I go along. And also you can buy these platforms that go right on, that clip to the pegboard here. And these pegboards they're square, so I think they're a bit more durable than your general round ones that like have hooks. So you get these proper things that clip in, and then these will just sit on top up here. So that'll be nice, and so you still got your workspace down here on the bench. So hopefully that'll work out quite nicely. And then once this is up, I'm just gonna put an LED strip just under here. Gonna put this box together and I'll put it up and we're gonna have a look. Okay, so I mentioned before that I'm gonna leave this free for a washing machine. So what I'm gonna do is just that little plate that's holding this up, I'm just gonna drill about three holes in there and then screw it to the bottom of that, so it gives it a bit of clamping down force so this doesn't sort of twist. I've noticed that as I'm putting things on and that, it's kind of been twisting, so I'm gonna just get to that and we'll do this LED strip, sort of get it ready. This sort of goes in there. This should go all the way to the end here. Yep. Now it's time to build the second cabinet. You've already watched me build one, so I'm just gonna fast track this one. And there you go, a bit quicker. The good thing about the Swiss Trax tiles, it makes things so easy to slide across. And the way these doors come off, there's just these little hinges, these little slots that just move up, and you can easily take the doors off. Easy one first. There you go, just gonna jam it in. I'm just gonna give it a quick clean off. $50 pack of microfiber in a box, 20 bucks Australian. Really good actually. And there you have it everyone, completed. The Gtools Pro Module 4 meter modular cabinets. As you can see, there will be plenty of space for all sorts of your detailing workshop needs. So I'm gonna have more than enough storage, and then that's absolutely fine with me. Takes up a little bit more room than I thought. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And that's it for this episode, everyone. If you want to check out the evolution of this garage, click on the link right here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you don't miss my future videos. Thanks for watching.